who was the first Muslim ruler to formulate the theory of kingship similar to the theory of divine right of the kings? Answer is option B, Balban. Friends, Balban lived and ruled from 1266 AD to 1287 AD. Balban himself was a member of Chalisa or Chahalgani, but he broke the power of Chahalgani and restored the prestige of the crown. He established the military department Diwan-e-Arj. He declared the Sultan as representative of God on earth. He took up the title of Zil-Ilahi, means shadow of God. He insisted on the Iranian ceremonies of Sijda and Pabos. Former Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee reached parliament by winning the elections from which Lok Sabha seat in 1957? Answer is option C, Balrampur. Friends, if you understand in detail, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was elected to the Indian Parliament for the first time in 1957, representing Balrampur, Uttar Pradesh. He was further elected to the Lok Sabha 9 times from 1967 to 2004, with the only exception of 1984. Ninth Five-Year Plan in India covers the period of answer is option C, 1997 to 2002. Friends, the Ninth Five-Year Plan was launched by the United Front government in 1997. It was focused on growth with social justice. It aimed to depend predominantly on the private sector, Indian as well as foreign direct investment. In which Olympic Games did Karnam Malleswari became India's first woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer is option D, Sydney 2000 Olympic Games. The Ajanta caves were constructed under whose rule? Answer is option C, Hari Sen. Friends, the Ajanta caves were constructed under the rule of Vakataka Emperor Hari Sen. The empire's capital city was Vatsgulma, present-day Wasim, Maharashtra. And friends, you know the capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. The dynasty was founded by Vindhya Shakti. His reign was from 250 to 270 CE. The Vakataks were Brahmins. Hari Sen was the last ruler of the dynasty. The Ajanta caves are located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Bharat Ratna winner Bhupen Hazarika is related to which of the following field? Answer is option A, art. Which among the following is not a type of depositional landforms? Answer is option A, cirque. Economic planning in India is in blank. Answer is option D, concurrent list. Friends, if you understand in detail, economic planning is in the concurrent list 3rd of the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. The 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution comprises 3 lists, which are union, concurrent and state list. Concurrent list has 52 subjects enumerated under it. The concept of concurrent list in the Indian Constitution has been borrowed from the Constitution of Australia. In which state or UT is Rohtang Pass located? Answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Friends, Rohtang Pass is a high mountain pass on the eastern end of the Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas, around 51 km from Manali. It connects the Kullu Valley with the Lahaul and Spiti valleys of Himachal Pradesh. Friend, the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. It links Manali and Leh by road. What happens to the electropositive character of elements on moving from left to right in a periodic table? Answer is option C, decreases. Where is the headquarters of World Health Organization means WHO located? Answer is option A, Geneva. Friends, the World Health Organization was formed on 7 April 1948. The formation date of the World Health Organization, April 7, is commemorated as World Health Day. The headquarters of the World Health Organization is in Geneva, Switzerland. The first meeting of the World Health Assembly took place on 24 July 1948. Blank produces energy in plant cells using the respiratory system. Answer is option B, mitochondria. Bandodkar Trophy is associated with which sport? Answer is option A, football. Friends, if you understand in detail, Bandodkar Gold Trophy is associated with the sports of football. The Bandodkar Gold Cup was made of pure gold, weighing several kilos. The trophy was instituted in 1970 by then Chief Minister, the late Dayanand Bandodkar. The blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the various parts of the body are called blank. Answer is option B, arteries. Blank monitors user activity on internet and transmits that information in the background to someone else. Answer is option B, spyware. The difference between a country's imports of services and its exports is called blank. Answer is option C, balance of trade. To which dynasty did the King Dhangadeva, who constructed the Kandaria Mahadev temple dedicated to Shiva, belong? Answer is option A, Chandela dynasty. Friends, the Chandelas built the most famous Kandaria Mahadev temple in 1050 AD and a number of beautiful temples at Khajuraho. Nanook, a ruler of a small kingdom, was the Chandela dynasty's founder. Chandelas ruled much of the Bundelkhand region of the central India for approximately 500 years between the 9th and 13th centuries AD. The capital city of Chandelas was Khajuraho, which was later changed to Mahoba. The Chandel dynasty is famous in Indian history for Maharaja Rao Vidyadhar, who repulsed the attacks of Mahmud of Ghazni. Under which 5-year plan Blue Revolution was started in India? Answer is option B, 7th 5-year plan. Friends, the Blue Revolution is related to fisheries. It was launched in India during the 7th 5-year plan. Its aims is to achieve the economic prosperity of the country and the fisheries and fish farmers. Arun Krishnan is the father of the Blue Revolution in India. Name the Sikh Guru who developed the Gurumukhi script for writing the Punjabi language. Answer is option B, Guru Angad.